Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Mark here. Today, which car do you think I'm going to be working on? Either my 2006 Evo 9 or my 2018 STI. I'm sure pretty much looking at the title of the video, you'll see what we're working on today. I'm pretty excited. I don't even know why I'm scrouched out like this, but I just wanted to do that. But we're going to be changing the brakes and the rotors on my STI today. Pretty much, backstory was I did not anticipate for it to go out on me like that. Not really go out on me, but it started squeaking. And I went to my local Firestone and pretty much just had them check. And they told me that I need to change both the fronts and backs on the brake pads and the rotors. And I was like, man, I did not know what to do because I know 2018 STI OEMs is so expensive. And so I hit up the previous owner and he told me that the car was still under warranty. So I thought, you know, cool, like I hope that this car is still under, like it's covered, you know, so I don't have to pay. Unfortunately, bringing it to Subaru, they said because the brake pads were wear and tear and it's not below the 2mm mark or whatever BS they said, it's not going to be covered. So I had to, you know, just the cheap way of getting some aftermarket parts that still works for now. Budget friendly. I'll show you guys which ones I got. I'll also show you guys how we're gonna replace it. Looking at YouTube, there's barely any videos that shows how to replace these, so hopefully my video could help you guys out. I just wanted to record it as well. Right now I'm gonna have to move this Evo even though I haven't driven this car in like 2-3 weeks, so I'll probably put a video on how the cold start's gonna sound. It's gonna probably sound pretty shitty, but we'll see. Here's my quick look at the Evo. It's my garage queen right here. A little turnaround, but we're not working on that today. We're gonna be working on that car. That the Evo is out of the way. I gotta move the STI now, just so we could get it started. The pads I'm using are G-Lock brakes. Saw this from Fast WRX. As well as, I know people are gonna hate me for this, but for now I have to pretty much downgrade my rotors. These are just smooth, they're not drilled, they're not slotted. The reason why is because all the Stop Tech rotors that are drilled, they're all out of stock. I do not want to buy OEM because they're so expensive. So right now these will do. The purpose of this car is just to daily, so I don't really need slotted or drilled rotors anyway. So for now I will upgrade down the line, but just to stop all these squeaking, I'm just gonna change it to that. Alright, so we just took out the wheel. Here's my boy Shane.
What's going on?
What are we gonna do today?
We are replacing brake pads.
So we think for now, I think it should be good instead of just changing the whole rotor. Just to take out the squeaking. If it's still squeaking, we'll probably just gonna change the whole rotor as well, but we'll just try this out first. Hopefully it works. To take out the brake pads, what should you do?
Just gotta pop this pin out right here. That's why a lot of people like the race cars. You pop these out, they're so interchangeable. And if you pull these out, this piece comes off, brake pads just slide out.
Gotcha. All right, let's get to work.
Sorry, man. Pop the back of the pin out. Just gonna pull it out. Or not. Okay, there's one.
There's one pin. Go for the second one.
Seems like it's a spring, so you have to like literally press on it. Just don't want to scratch your. There we go. And that's two. This piece comes off. Okay. Just gonna push on them, loosen it up a little bit.
Pull on it. So one important step before doing that, what should we do?
Yeah, I gotta open the reservoir. That's it. Just put that there.
Oh. And why'd you take that off?
So when I pull on these, the piston pushes the fluid back up so you can.
Gotcha. He's not just a drug dealer, he works on cars too. Is that the old
That's the old one, yeah, I
brake
want
pads?
to pull because obviously I need a lot more room.
Gotcha. On the side. So right now, what are you doing?
I'm just pushing the piston back in so we can fit the new brake pads.
Gotcha.
Part of the bar goes through there. Keeps it on.
And that's pretty much it?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the difficult part though.
Just putting everything back on. Oh.
Yeah.
Facebook. So one important tip when you are changing the brakes, might as well just get a brake cleaner and clean these pretty much calipers because they're usually hella dirty and washing the car doesn't really help most of the time. So at least now, might as well just do that. So we got the left side rear done. Now we're pretty much working on the right side. So pretty much same process, right?
Punch out this little stem. Channel, don't want to damage some paint.
Right. It's too expensive of a caliper to mess up pretty much. You see how that's coming out? There's just two screws that you just gotta hammer out. If you guys hear that little voice, we got a guest appearance with Barbies. She's too focused on this right now.
Mermaid. No, this is mermaid.
So same as the other side, I just use brake cleaner to clean the dirty ass caliper. So right now we're gonna tackle on the fronts, and hopefully the squeak doesn't come back. I'm hoping to just end up not using that now to get my money back because I really didn't want to downgrade pretty much the rotors. So we'll see. So taking off the front, same process, but there's gonna be this screw right here, and you're gonna need a 13.
Yeah, 13.
And take that off coming from the back. Oh, shit.
Actually, I'm going the wrong way. Shit, my bad. See, this is fucking confused.
There you go.
Oops.
Damn, bricks are being hella tall. Long ass hands. Alright, so replacing the fronts now. Quick tip before you do this, you have to pretty much release the e-brake and put the gear on first, or else you would not have been able to remove the brake pads at all. Show them the comparison of the old one and the new one. Dude, ridiculous. But that's why we're replacing them today. Now we're on our final one. Such a bitch trying to take this out. Replace the brake pads on all fours, so hopefully this will stop all the squeaking. It's actually a simple process. I mean, we didn't have to take out the rotors, but I hope that does it. What I'll probably do is just return these. I didn't really want to keep these anyway. They're not drilled, they're not slotted. I just didn't want to downgrade the rotors that I have on this car right now. So hopefully it works out. Finally took out the last pad. Now just gotta put the new ones in, put everything back, and hopefully I'm gonna test it out that this is all done. This took longer than expected, to be honest with you.
The fronts were harder than the back.
Yeah, but we ate too, so oh well. Got good food. Now we're getting, hopefully we get good brakes out of this. Because if you look at the old ones, sheesh, man. This was comparing from that. You see how from the thickness, you could already see how ridiculous that is. So this needed to be replaced ASAP. So hopefully this new one will do. We'll find out. Finally put everything back. Take the Evo out, and then I'm gonna take this out and just go for a test drive. Hopefully I don't hear any more squeaking. Thanks to my guy right there, helped me so much. So I'm gonna have my boy drive the STI and we're gonna test it out, see if it's good. So far so good. Usually I would, oh dang, over revving for sure. I know, the clutch is hella light.
The clutch is weird.
Yeah, that's what I first felt the car too.
I have like, this one feels like it has no tension.
Actually, so far it's been good, because usually when I'm braking, I would already hear the squeaking right now.
Yeah.
So right now it's pretty good. So far so good.
And the one thing I heard, when I first put it, you'll hear the
Yeah. For
sliding.
now.
But
Yeah.
should I go left, I guess?
Just go right here. How's it feel so far driving STI? Your Type R's better?
Well, I like my clutch better.
I know, it's so light. You can do a pull.
It's not warmed up yet though.
I know, plug it. Oh, nice. I don't hear any, do you hear any squeaking? Not really.
It's not working. I almost forgot to check them before I backed up. I was like, fuck. I can't stop rolling, bro.
Right, you can just go left right here. So far so good, nice.
It's so weird having a big old
Yeah, this is the racing.
the
Weighted shift knob, hella expensive for no reason.
I guess if you like to hold on to something that's kind of thick.
Hey bro, it's PG-13, man.
It's PG-13.
You're just gonna go around here and then you're gonna go that way.
Can't drift it.
I know we drive, all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, I don't hear it at all. Nice.
Oh, I didn't press on the brake there.
Oh, you didn't press on it.
A hard test.
Sheesh.
Yeah, just your pads.
Yeah.
I guess.
Very good.
Cool.
That's pretty good. So it's all done now. I'm gonna give this car a well-deserved wash. I'm gonna wrap it up in this video. Just want to thank my friend here, Shane. You can follow him on Instagram. I'll put it down below, One Excessive R. But yeah, if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't still be here during nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you guys pretty much know how to change the brake pads. Luckily, it wasn't the rotors. Saves us so much time. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.